Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Halsten Stride, a red light therapy hip brace claiming to reverse gluteal tendinopathy and relieve hip pain in menopausal women. With bold claims such as 95% effectiveness, is this legit therapy or just expensive marketing? Let's break down the science and reality. So Halsten Stride is a wearable red light therapy device specifically designed for menopausal women with hip pain from gluteal tendinopathy. It uses a triple wavelength system, 660 nanometers for boosting blood flow, 830 nanometers for stimulating collagen production, and 940 nanometer wavelength for deep tissue healing and pain relief. The company claims the clinical trial showed 95% of participants experienced notable pain relief, 76% could sleep on their side within 30 days, and 91% showed increased collagen density on ultrasound. At $180, it positions itself as a non-invasive alternative to cortisone shots or surgery. But is it legit? Halsten Stride is a real product from a legitimate company. Red light therapy itself has decades of research showing it can help with pain relief and tissue healing. This technology is used in medical settings and is considered safe with no significant side effects. The wavelengths they are using are consistent with clinical literature of photobiomodulation for tissue repair. But here's the reality check. The company-funded clinical trial results sound impressive, but there are no independent peer-reviewed studies specifically on the Halsten Stride device. Company-funded research should always be viewed with healthy skepticism since there's financial incentive to show positive results. Red light therapy does work for some people with certain types of pain, but results are highly individual. Not everyone responds the same way. The testimonials on their website are compelling, but these represent best-case scenarios. They're not going to showcase people who tried it and got no relief. The target audience is very specific: menopausal women with gluteal tendinopathy. If your hip pain is from arthritis, bursitis, or other causes, this device may not help at all. The company claims 70% of menopausal women diagnosed with hip arthritis actually have gluteal tendinopathy instead, which is an interesting claim but would need independent verification. Red light therapy is generally recognized as safe and has shown modest benefits for pain and inflammation in clinical studies. However, most research shows it works best as part of a comprehensive treatment plan, not as a standalone miracle cure. Physical therapy, proper exercise, and addressing the underlying biomechanics are crucial. The $180 price point is reasonable compared to ongoing cortisone shots or physical therapy sessions, but it's still a significant investment for something that may or may not work for you specifically. The device comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, which is a positive sign. This gives you time to test whether it works out for your specific situation. However, always read the fine print on return policies. Some companies make it difficult to actually get refunds. The company uses aggressive marketing with countdown timers and urgency tactics, which is common in direct-to-consumer health products, but can be a yellow flag about their sales approach versus their actual product effectiveness. The final verdict: Halsten Stride is a legitimate device using real therapy technology, not a scam. But does it actually relieve hip pain? It might for some people, especially those with the specific condition it targets. The science behind red light therapy is real, but the company's specific claims need more independent research. It's worth trying if you fit their target profile and exhaust proper medical evaluation first. Just manage your expectations and use that money back guarantee if it doesn't work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.